Senator, I mean, you did something remarkable in Caloocan. You won more than 200,000 votes. At
Mhm,
least 2 out of 5 voters went for
mhm.
you. That was a very competitive race, considering how everyone was looking at it and saying, "Wala na yan. This is going to be more than an uphill battle. It's going to be mission impossible." What is your read of what you have achieved, or what you were able to achieve dyan sa Caloocan, given yung mga structural limitations that I'm sure you can talk about?
I think ang nakita ko dito yung mga silver linings ano kasi people saw Caloocan as ano yan, parang the more problematic city no sa buong Metro Manila. Ang daming problema talaga diyan, iba't ibang levels. Everybody assumed na talagang this is a kingdom of a political dynasty, no? Pero nakita natin, there is always that hope for change. People long for change. And yun na nga, yun yung naramdaman natin. It's just unfortunate na it's the very same people longing for change na sila yung most vulnerable sa mga usual unfair tactics